It's Max!
Hi friends, I am very happy to share one interesting multiplication trick in this video. So here are some multiplication problems. If you notice the numbers you are going to multiply, these numbers are nearer to 100. If you want to multiply such type of numbers, let me suggest an trick. So if you apply the trick, you can get the answer within few seconds. Before this video ends, you too can multiply these two numbers very easily and moreover quickly also. So for easy understanding, I have divided the trick into 3 types. So there will be a little bit modification in each type. If you watch the video fully, you too can know what the difference is. Let me start with the type 1. So in the type 1, the numbers we are going to multiply will be nearer to 100 and moreover it will be less than 100 also. So here we are having a question 94 into 97. The two numbers are nearer to 100 and it is less than 100. So we can solve this problem in 2 steps into easy step. In the first step, we are going to find out how much the number 94 is less than 100. So the number 94 is 6 less than 100. Let us take a note of that. Let us write as minus 6. Since it is less than 100, we are writing as minus 6. Same like that, we have to find out how much the number 97 is less than 100. So number 97 is 3 less than 100. So let us take a note as minus 3. So next we are going to do cross subtraction. Cross subtraction means we are going to subtract 3 from 94 or 6 from 97. We can use any one of the method. In both the method also we will get the same answer and correct answer also. So let us subtract 3 from 94. So if we subtract 94 minus 3 we will get 91. Take a note of that. So first step is over. Only one step is left. That too easy step. So let us see that step 2. Second step is that we are going to multiply the number 6 with number 3. So if you multiply 6 with 3 we will get 18, right? So attach 18 to 91. So this is the answer 9118 for the problem 94 into 97. So we can get the answer very easily and quickly also. So if you practice this, you too can solve this. So let us solve 2 or more problems in this type. So let us see the second problem. So the question is that we are going to multiply 93 into 92. So both the numbers are nearer to 100 and less than 100. So we can apply the trick 1. So first we are going to find out how much the number 93 and 92 are less than 100. So the number 93 is 7 less than 100. So let us write minus 7 and the number 92 is 8 less than 100. So we can write the number minus 8. Okay. Next we are going to do cross subtraction, that is we are going to subtract 8 from 93 or 7 from 92. So if we subtract 8 from 93 we will get 85. So let us take the note of the number 85. First step is over. Second, we are supposed to multiply 7 with 8. So if you multiply 7 with 8 we will get 56. So attach 56 to 85. So the final answer will be 8556. So let us solve another one problem in this type. So here we are going to multiply 89 and 95. Both the numbers are nearer to 100 and less than 100. So first we are going to find out how much the numbers are less than 100. So the number 89 is 11 less than 100. So let us take a note of that. And the number 95 is 5 less than 100. So let us write minus 5. So next we are going to do cross subtraction. Let us subtract 5 from 89 because it's easy. So if we subtract 5 from 89 we will get 84. So let us take a note of that. Next we are going to multiply 11 and 5. So if you multiply we will get 55. So the final answer will be 8455. So we can get the answer very quickly. So now let us see type 2. In type 2 the numbers we are going to multiply will be nearer to 100 and moreover it will be greater than 100. So in type 1 the numbers are less than 100, right? Here we are going to multiply the numbers which are greater than 100. So here we are having a question 103 into 108. First we want to find out how much the numbers are greater than 100. So in case of 103, the number 103 is 3 greater than 100. So let us write plus 3. Since it is greater we are going to write plus 3 and the number 108 is 8 greater than 100. So we are going to write plus 8. So in case of type 1, we have written minus because it is less than 100. But in this case, it is greater, so we are going to write the plus sign. So next, we are going to do cross addition. There we have done cross subtraction. Here we are going to do cross addition. That is, we can add either 8 with 103 or 3 with 108. In both the cases, we will get the same answer only. So if we add 8 with 103, we will get 111. Let us take a note of that. So the second step is the same step only. That is, we are going to multiply 3 with 8. We will get 24. Just attach 24 to the 111. So the final answer will be 11,124. That's it. So let us solve two more problems in this type. So the question is 105 into 104. So first step, we are going to find out how much the numbers are greater than 100. So the number 105 is 5 greater than 100. So let us write plus 5, and the number 104 is 4 greater than 100. So let us write plus 4. So next we are going to do cross addition. That is, we are going to add 4 with 105 or 5 with 104. So if we add 4 with 105, we will get 109. So let us take a note of that. So first step is over. Second, we are going to multiply 5 with 4. So if we multiply, we will get 20. So just attach 20 to 109. So the final answer will be 10,920. So finally, let us see one more problem in this type. So here we are having the question 109 into 107. First, we are going to find out how much the numbers are greater than 100. So the number 109 is 9 greater than 100. So let us write plus 9, and the number 107 is 7 greater than 100. So let us write plus 7. Next, we are going to do cross addition. That is, we are going to add 7 with 109. So if we add, we will get 116. Let us take a note of that. Next, we are going to multiply 9 with 7. So we will get 63. So if we attach 63 to the 116, the final answer will be 11,663. So now let us see the type 3. So the type 3 will be a little bit different from type 1 and type 2. There will be a little bit modification. So let us see what the change is. So in type 1, we have multiplied the two numbers which are less than 100, right? So in type 2, we have multiplied the numbers which are greater than 100. But in type 3, we are going to multiply the two numbers in such a way that one number will be less than 100 and the other number will be greater than 100. Okay. So let us solve some problems. So here is one problem, 98 into 104. So if you notice this problem, the number 98 is less than 100 and the number 104 is greater than 100. So first we are going to find out how much the number 98 is less than 100. So the number 98 is 2 less than 100. So we are going to write minus 2. Since it is less, we are putting minus sign. Next, we are going to find out how much the number 104 is greater than 100. The number is 4 greater than 100. So we are going to write plus 4. Since it is greater than 100, we are putting plus sign. Next, we are going to add either 4 with 98 or we are going to subtract 2 from 104. In both the methods, we are going to get the same answer as 102 only. So in the previous two types, we will write the number 102 as it is, but in this type, we are going to add 2 zeros after 102. So this is the first change in this type. I am repeating once again. After adding 4 with 98, we will get 102. Next, we are supposed to add 2 zeros after 102. Okay. Next, we are going to subtract one number from the number 10,200. So the number which we are going to subtract is the multiplication of 2 and 4. Okay. So if we multiply 2 and 4, we will get 8. So we are going to subtract that 8 from 10,200. So if we subtract, the final answer will be 10,192. So while solving for the first time, this trick seems to be a little bit difficult and a lengthy process, but not at all. This is also a very easy trick and you can solve this also very quickly. Only 2 changes, take note of that changes. Next, let us solve another problem in this question, then we will get a clear idea. Here we are having a question 102 into 93. First, we are supposed to find how much the numbers are greater and less than 100. So the number 102 is 2 greater than 100. So let us write plus 2. And the number 93 is 7 less than 100. So let us write minus 7. Next, let us add 2 with 93 because it is very easy. So if we add 2 with 93, we will get 95. Let us take a note of that. Next, we are supposed to add 2 zeros after 95. So, we will get 9500. Next, let us subtract 14 from 9500. Because if we multiply 2 and 7, we will get 14 only. So, if we subtract 14 from 9500, the final answer would be 9486. Okay, I think you would have understood the trick what I have taught in this video. So this multiplication tricks are very useful trick too, and moreover it's an easy trick. Try to learn these type of tricks. It will be very useful and helpful in competitive examinations, and it will increase your calculation speed also. If you like this video, press the like button, share to your friends, subscribe our channel Tricky Tips Max, and if you want to receive notifications whenever I am posting the video, press the bell icon. Thank you.